This is the solution of worksheet 2, class 9, session 2. And this is the first question. This is the solution of the first question. The first question is, a retailer sold all of 12 pens at their marked price by buying them at a discount of 20%. Find his percentage of profit. So here is the solution. In this question, we are given that the marked price of 12 pence, is equal to 100 rupees. And so the CP of 12 pence for the retailer. Then what is the cost price? Because the retailer bought all those pens at 20% discount. So 20% discount will be 20% of 100. So this is the discount. This is the discount, and this is the marked price. So the marked price minus discount here will be equal to the cost price. That is, at this price, that is the retailer bought all those pens at rupees 80. Okay. So next is, now for the retailer, the cost price of all the pens is rupees 80 and the selling price of all the pens is rupees 100. Actually, this is the marked price, MP also. So selling price is equal to, that is the 100 rupees, because the retailer is selling all the pens at the marked price, which is actually 100 rupees, and this will be the selling price here. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price equal to rupees 20, and therefore we have to find the profit percent. So what is the profit percent here? The shopkeeper is getting profit of rupees 20 when the cost price is rupees 80. So the profit percent will be equal to profit by cost price into 100. So whenever we find the profit percent, we always take the cost price here, because this is the base price. So on this price we will find the profit percent. So after solving this, the answer is 25%. So this is the answer of this question. 25% is the answer of this question. Next question is number 2. This is number 2. This is the solution of number 2 question. You can see clearly. And in this question, the first listen the question. At what percentage the CP of an article should be raised to fix the marked price so that there will be a gain of 8% after allowing a discount of 10%? At what percentage the CP? So first we have to find the cost price of the article. That is, in this question we have to find the cost price. Now the cost price is, that is, we are given cost price, and how much the cost price should be increased to fix the marked price so that there will be a gain of 8%. So first, suppose here the marked price of the article be rupees 100. The marked price of the article be rupees 100. Then it is given in the question that discount is 10%. So discount is 10% of 100, that is rupees 10. After solving, so the selling price is equal to the marked price minus discount, that is 100 minus 10, that is 90 rupees. So 90 rupees is the selling price. Now what is the gain? Gain is given 8%. So gain 8%. So from this, now we know the selling price and the gain 8%, then we can find the cost price of the pen. So cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 plus gain percent equal to 90 into 100, and after putting all these values and after solving, you will get 250 by 3. So this is the cost price. Now this is the cost price and this is the marked price. So how much is the cost price? How much is the price increased? See here that the cost price is equal to 250 rupees, 250 by 3 rupees here. So this CP is increased to fix the marked price 100 rupees. So how much CP is increased? So here we will find the increase in the CP of to fix the mark price. So this is the mark price minus CP. So this much will be the increase in the cost price. This much will be the increase in the cost price. So after solving, you will get 50 by 3. This is the increase in the cost price to get the mark price. Now this is the mark price here. Next, we have to find the percentage increase in the cost price to fix the mark price. So here the increase will be 50 by 3 and the cost price is to 50 by 3 here. Then this by this into 100 is equal to 20%. So this is the answer of this question. Now next question, number 3. This is the solution of number 3. I think whole page is visible. Yes, it is visible. So in question number 3, the mark price of a book is 200 rupees. The ratio of the CP to the SP is 9:10. If the book is sold at a discount of 5% on MP, then what is the percentage of profit? So first we are already given that mark price of the book is 200 rupees and the ratio of the CP is to SP is equal to 9:10. So if the ratio is given, then we can suppose the CP is equal to 9K and SP is equal to 10K, where K is any constant. Then now we are also given the discount. Discount is 5%. So discount is equal to 5% of 200. That is 10 rupees here. Then we can find the selling price of the book. SP is equal to mark price minus discount equal to 210 equal to 190 rupees. Now from this selling price we can find the value of K. So 10K equal to 190 because 10K is here. So 10K equal to 190 here, then K equal to 19 rupees. After solving this, then from this 19, that is we got the value of constant K. 19, then from this constant we can find the cost price because CP is equal to 9K here. So 9 into K, that is 9 into 19, that is 171 rupees. This is the cost price. The next is now here you can see clearly that the selling price is 190 rupees and the cost price is here 170 rupees. So this is bigger than this. Therefore, there is a profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price is equal to 190 minus 171. That is 19 rupees is the profit. Now profit percent. So profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100 here. And therefore, after solving, you will get 200 by 9 equal to 11 and 1 by 9%. So this is the answer of this question. Number 4. Question number 4 is here. This is the solution of question number 4. The question is, a person marked his article 10% above the cost price. A person marked his article 10% above the cost price. While selling the article, he allowed such a discount wrongly that he lost 1%. So what was the percentage of discount? So in this question, first suppose the cost price is 100 rupees. The cost price is equal to 100 rupees. Then the mark price will be equal to 100 plus 10 equal to 110 rupees. Why? Because the question says that the person marked his article 10% above the cost price. So because we have supposed 100 rupees cost price, so 10% means that is rupees 10 in every 100 rupees. That is why here the 10 rupees will be that is 100 plus 10 equal to 110 rupees here mark price. And since loss equal to 1%, here it is given that when the person is selling the book, when the person is selling the article, then he lost 1%. So loss is 1% here, and the cost price is 100 rupees here. Then what is the selling price? Then what is the selling price of the article? So selling price of the article will be equal to 100 minus loss percent into CP by 100, and putting all the values and solving, you will get rupees 99. So this is the selling price of the book. Now here you can see that this is the selling price, and the cost price is 100 rupees here. So you can see clearly that the cost price is more than the selling price. So there is a loss in this case. That is why loss percentage 1% here is given. Now we are finding discount here. So what is discount? Discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. So 110 minus 99, that is 11 rupees. 11 rupees is a discount here. So the percentage of discount will be equal to discount by MP into 100 by this. So after solving, the answer is 10%. Now question number 5. This is question number 5. Question number 5. What is question number 5? Question number 5 is the mark price of a special type of pen is rupees 36.50. Mark price is given. Mark price of a pen is given 36.50. This is the mark price. Now Suvam sold a pen to Suvasis at a discount of 2 rupees 90 paise and gain 12% thereby. So from this first information we will find the cost price of the pen. So mark price is given 36.50, discount equal to this, then selling price is equal to MP unit discount, that is 33.60. After subtracting, and we are given gain percent equal to 12% by after selling the pen. So then we can find the cost price, because we know the selling price and we know the gain percent, then we can find the cost price of the pen. And the formula is SP into 100 by this formula. You must remember this formula. And after putting all the values and solving, the answer is rupees 30. So this is the cost price of the pen. Now the same type of pen is sold to another person whose name is Devasis at rupees 34.50. So in this case the selling price of the same type of pen is 34.50, and here the cost price is this and the selling price is this here. So in this case, in this transaction, the profit will be equal to selling price minus cost price equal to 34.50 minus 30, that is 4.50. So in this case the profit is equal to profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100, and after solving the answer becomes 15%. So this is the solution of worksheet 2. Thank you.